Welcome back to DIY RV and Home. My name is Greg. Up here at Horse Thief Reservoir, Cascade, Idaho. We've been up here for 5 days now. Starting to get just a little bit low on water, so I'm going to go ahead and put another 12 gallons into the tank. In one of my last videos I showed building a transfer pump, electric transfer pump, and so I'm going to demonstrate using that today. So here's what the pump looks like. It was actually an RV pump, water pump. I picked it up at one of our local dealers. It was on sale, and I went ahead and put a 12 volt power supply plug on the end of it so I can power it. And what I'm actually going to power it off of is my jump pack right here. I've got a port that I can plug into right there, or you can, if you wanted to, plug in somewhere else. But this is going to work. This is about a 3 gallon a minute pump, so it should take me under 5 minutes once I get going to actually pump this out. So I thought I'd take you along and show you. Now on the pump there is some arrows. I bring it in. Shows in and out. So this will be our suction, and I have a suction tube that I designed, or excuse me, that I built. And it's just got a hose end on it, and the length of the tube, and to keep the end of the stinger straight, I just put a piece of pipe over it. You can do whatever you want, but that allows me to get it in there and get to the bottom. So we'll go ahead and put that one in on the intake. Now this is a self-priming pump, so that's the nice thing about it, is I don't have to worry about having to try to prime the pump out to get the water. On the intake side though, you want to make sure it is airtight. Okay, you don't want any leaks because it won't suck the water. On your discharge side it's alright. Preferably you don't have a leak, but it's not going to be detrimental. So I'll go ahead and open this up. Just go ahead and stick that in there right now. I have a kit right here, a tote that I always keep all my fresh water stuff in. And I'm also keeping that in there. My little fill spout hooks onto the hose. So we'll open up and plug that in, and we'll hook the other side of the hose to the discharge. Now it's just going to be as simple as plugging it in. I'm always the splash just to show you. There we go. Just so you can see that it is actually drawing the water down. And I'm going to let this go. Like I said, it's going to take me a couple minutes to get this one. I'll cut back when I'm going over to the other one. And then I'll come back with you, give you some final thoughts on this. Alright, that was a full bucket. Let's see. So I think I was able to get pretty good almost everything out of there, don't you think? We'll finish topping this one off. So my thoughts on this. It did cost about $70, I'm going to say. I think the pump was 59 bucks on sale. And then, you know, 10, 15 bucks. So for everything else, saving my back, not trying to lift it up with a funnel, not having to use a hand pump or a little electric water pump that sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I think this is a win. So get back to this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and also right back here is a link to the actual build. Hope to see you on the next video.